Hi, Annabel Bateman here. I am doing an A to Z of doTERRA and we are up to cedarwood. So if you wanted to keep track of the different ones, please go to my A to Z playlist on my YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, or otherwise keep in touch via social media. So the plan is to do short 3 minutes or less videos with lots of practical tips as to how to use these essential oils. So today we're talking about cedarwood. Now the woods as a collection of essential oils are one of my favourites. I think I find them very calming when I feel stressed or worried, or I just find them quite settling. So when you think of that, think of cedarwood as a big tree. You know, big trees are very deeply grounded and planted. They're very calming and soothing. And often, actually, the tree oils are also good for supporting our respiratory system, our breathing. So, you know, we know when we can breathe clearly, you know, that also helps calm us down. So top tips for cedarwood would be to use it at night time for sleep. As part of that sleep aid, you could put it in a diffuser next to your bed, perhaps with something like lavender and vetiver. Cedarwood is actually in the lavender peace blend, which is the restful blend. Another way you could use cedarwood at night would be to add it to the unscented moisturiser or to some fractionated coconut oil. Maybe in your hands, rub it on your body, add it to your temples, behind your neck, and just cup your hands over your nose and mouth and take a couple of really big, deep breaths. So that will be nice and settling and winding down for sleep. Other ways you can use cedarwood would be in the diffuser if you're outside and there's lots of bugs around and you're wanting to keep them away. It's in our repellent blend or outdoor blend called Terra Shield or Terra Armor. How else can we use cedarwood? It's actually in some of this, you know, in a lot of recipes I've seen online for skin. So a nice one to add to your facial oil or a moisturiser. So very clean, you know, cleansing and toning for the skin. It's in our Women's Monthly blend, Claricalm. So sometimes when they're in blends, it just gives us ideas of what they're good for. So the Women's Monthly blend is great for, you know, those aches and pains we get at that time of the month, for heightened emotion. So cedarwood, nice, again, part of that calming collection. It's one that you can also add to your little cedar blocks in your drawers for, you know, just keeping your clothes smelling fresh and keeping those bugs away from your clothes as well. So there we have it. There's cedarwood, nice one to have in your arsenal. I love diffusing woods with citrus oils. Cedarwood's a really nice one, probably with some florals at bedtime. So enjoy your day and your sleep. And if you've got any questions about cedarwood, please let me know.